So today I heard a very loud thump on my front window, and I knew immediately it was a bird because I've had them fly into the window before. So I went outside, and sure enough, this little beauty was on the ground. Its little mouth was opened, and I could tell it was stunned. So I went and got this box and this little towel to line it with, and I put on some gloves because you always want to wear gloves if you're going to touch any type of wildlife, birds or anything. Gently picked it up and put it in the box. Then I brought it upstairs to my deck. I have an upstairs deck. Put it on top of the deck for it to rest. I hope it's going to be okay. Before, its little little beak was open. So I'll give you an update on what happens to it. It looks a little bit better than it did earlier. And I've done this before for a bird that flew into the window. I just gently put it in a box and let it rest. Tried to give it some water. And after a couple of hours, I came back out and it had flown away. But we do have a couple feral cats in the neighborhood, so I wanted to get it up and away from any kind of potential danger while it rests and hopefully recuperates. So there's my little friend. Hopefully it'll be all right. Okay, I'll give you an update as soon as I can. Okay, I just moved the little bird, and I have some water here. Put in there in case it wants some water. Hopefully it'll drink a little bit. But it still is resting. All right, I'll give another update. Okay, let's go check on our patient here. It's getting dark outside, so let's see how it's doing. Oh, there it is. Still resting. It's been about an hour since I put the poor little thing in the box. So we'll just see. We'll just keep checking back, see how it's doing. Okay. Okay, so it's been over 2 hours now since I put this little guy in the box to rest and hopefully recover. And as an update, he or she is still sitting here resting and moving. Seems pretty calm. It's very dark outside right now, but I've got water in the box. I think I might put a little bit of bird seed in the box, and hopefully the next time I come out, the box will be empty, and this little one will have flown away. But hopefully it's comfortable for now and resting and doing well. Okay. Here's an update on our patient. So this little one has been in the box now for about a little over 2 hours. Seems to be doing pretty good. I've got a little bit of water there for it, and hopefully it's comfy and recovering. Okay, so update on our little friend. He just jumped out of the box. I don't know if you can see him there. I put some bird seed in a little cup. He jumped out of the box, but he hasn't flown away. I think he's still pretty stunned. I hope he's okay. He or she. Cute little bird, he's so pretty. I see these types of birds around here all the time. So I hope that he'll eat some bird seed and rest. I hope he's gonna be okay. I hope a wing isn't broken or something. Alright, well, this might be the last update. I'll check again in a little while, but he may be gone by that point. Hopefully he'll be okay.